In this video, I will create the data stitching flow from scratch. So to create a new flow, click on plus icon and we'll name it as demo data stitching and click on create. The flow window will open up. Now we'll drag and drop our data set. So first we'll drag the housing prices. It's automatic peak. You can see the data set. Now we will drag our another data set. Housing features. Now we want to join these two data sets. To join these two datasets, click on the plus button and type join in the search bar. Select join facet. Now we have the join facet. Now we'll join both the flows to the join facet. And input the arguments right and left to the flow connectors. Now we'll edit the join facet. We'll select the option join by left and join both the datasets by common column of row. After combining these two datasets from join facet, we'll add a drop facet. Click on plus and select drop column. Now we will edit the drop columns facet. We will remove one of the two row columns that get into our dataset because of the join. So we will select the target column as row and update the facet. Now we'll export the dataset as a CSV file by adding a exported facet. Click on plus, search exported, select the output exported facet. Now we'll update all the arguments, the file type as CSV. Dataset name will give as stitching demo output and update. Now we can run the flow and get the dataset as a CSV output. Also, we can peek our output and see the final dataset.